Build great credit from zero with the best secured card ever. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Chime Credit Builder card, a secured card designed to help you build credit from scratch. So if you're new to credit or looking to improve your score, this card would be a game changer. Let's see why. The Chime or Chime Credit Builder card has no annual fees, so no interest and no credit check to apply. It's a secured card, which means you control your spending by adding funds to your credit builder account. Each time you make a purchase, Chime reports it to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, helping you build credit history with consistent, responsible use. One unique feature is Chime's safer credit building tool, so when enabled, it automatically uses your balance to pay off purchases in full. So you avoid debt and late payments, making it ideal for building credit safely. Overall, if you're starting from zero or looking for a reliable way to improve your credit score, the Chime Credit Builder card is one of the best secured cards out there. If this review was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Show that you're interested in this and I'll make more videos about it. Thanks for watching.